Inflatable car cover with surrounding air cushioning. Usage method and precautions. Lay out the car protection cover on a flat, even surface. Drive the car onto the designated spot on the cover. Place the top cover over the car and gently zip it up. Ensure the zipper is pulled smoothly and without force to avoid damage. Inflate the car cover in the following order from top to bottom. Do not over-inflate. Make sure all inflation ports are properly sealed after inflation to maintain air pressure. Conduct impact and collision tests on the inflatable car cover. Dismantling. Open the inflation ports A, B, and C to release the air. Carefully unzip the top cover. Wait for the cover to deflate completely, then flatten it out. Drive the car out of the cover. Clean the cover if necessary and fold it out for storage. This inflatable car protection cover offers a reliable and effective solution for safeguarding your vehicle from flood damage and collisions. This inflatable car protection cover offers a reliable and effective solution for safeguarding